Hi patrons, so very happy to present to you 2018 Fatboy work that we have done. Few things on the bike, the complete pannier kit, ADIA 2020 release of flag post with the indicator relocator, top touring box. These are medium sized panniers that you have on that. Our patented yoga backrest on the bike. So let me just give you a close-up shot. I'll just switch on the LEDs. Looks very nice. Our kit for the Fatboy, you can also ask for the indicator relocators. As you can see, that gives you the ability to nicely align the indicators next to the touring top box, and will give you a close-up shot of the flagpole on the bike. As always, all our panniers, they are waterproof with nice finishing inside and all concealed wiring. Of course, you can go for inner bags as well. So inner bags really give you a lot of convenience, right? The other benefit is, since this is a plastic, any loose objects you keep will keep damaging your nice paint job inside. So it's always nice to use these inner bags, because these inner bags have, they are cushioned, and of course they are waterproof as well. So they have a waterproof lining inside, out, and they come with cushion. And the beauty is, when you reach your destination, if you have your luggage inside this, you can just remove the inner bag, and you are good to kind of check into your destination. Also, please follow the cautions that are provided. And as you can see, it's got a right around waterproof beading on it. So locked, as always, right to left side connect. Um, the backrest, you get double backrest on the touring pack, which is adjustable for the size of the pillion you're carrying. Our yoga backrest, which nicely folds. This is in chrome finish, made out of laser cut plates. It's beautiful, and it's adjustable with just this one bolt. You can move it front and back. So as you can see, as I'm tightening, the backrest is moving front, depending on where you want the look. So let me just give you a 360 degree. Hope you guys like it. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.